Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and
Oh,
I'm
okay,
Nene.
but don't stretch
So,
it out. I know you want it.
we're gonna go to the restroom soon because, like, I'm gonna be showing you how to do hairstyling. So,
Alright, it should be up here.
yeah.
Everybody stand together.
Here, stretch it for me. Stretch it.
That was really fun, guys. But yeah,
What?
you're gonna see me there in 3, 2, 1. Here we are, guys, in the restroom. I don't know why. Ew, that's gross.
My house.
Whatever, you guys can't see it, so I'm just gonna take that out. I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle. So, why don't I get started? Yeah. We're gonna be so yeah. Why don't I go to my room? 3, 2. Sorry guys, we're not allowed in our room, in my room, so we're gonna be,
Nobody wants to fucking hear you?
sorry, we're gonna be doing my hairstyle, but we really don't have, I don't know where to do it, but, sorry, I can't go to the room, because in the room it's a lot lighter, so it's because I have to put my hair like, you know, like, down like that. So those are one of them, and yeah, so why don't I get started? Okay, let's you see it off in 3, 2, 1. Here I am. It's, off. So, why don't we get started? For the first one, it was, I don't know, it was the first one, but what should I do? Let me check my phone. I have these phones. I mean, it's this kind of phones. See this phone with the clothes on, and so you'll see them too. Okay, I got one already. So why don't I get started? So it's like a half like this. It's gonna be like that, but maybe a little prettier. So you'll see my hair done. Like in 2 minutes, I guess. I don't know, but you guys should like, yeah. Just do it first. My friend is like telling me what I should do. I think I should do like 5 rounds. I don't know, but let's see. Only the father hairstyles, I think, or my friend. So you see it's on 2 and 1. And here's my hair. Right now, you can't see it very well, but that is all. Well, that's not going to be all the hairstyle. I don't know if you guys can see blonde, but my hair is kind of brown and blondish together, but yeah, you guys can't see it that much. What if I go like that? Now can you see it? No, maybe, I don't know. Subscribe that button at the end of the video. We can subscribe right now. Just click that subscribe button. I think I should call my friend for our next one. And you'll see it. 3, 2, 1. Well, maybe not a 3, 2, 1. What about a 5? 1. 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 5. Yeah. Okay, call you tomorrow. Bye. Well, I'm actually going to call you more than Because I'm going to call you again today. Yeah, I know which hairstyle you're talking about. Oh, I tried it out. I need to call her again. Can you send me a picture of it? Sure, why not? So guys, I'm waiting. Like, okay. Look, it says unicorns. I don't know. It says unicorns are my spirit animal. Let's see. Spirit animal. You guys might not see it correctly, but oh, here she is. Oh, that's really easy. Okay, I better put this down in 3, 2, and 1. And it's down. So, this is how pretty it looks. I'm not really sure how I look like that much because I'm doing a video and there's no mirror. So, I don't know if it came out curly or not. If you guys can like see a little curly or not. But why don't I try the hairstyles like this? You know, like so maybe like that, something like that. I don't know. You guys will see my hairstyle or like I don't know, but yeah, it's like this. You will like get a piece, and you're gonna put a chungo on it. So you're like, cause the rest of the hair is gonna come with it. So yeah, and then you like there for a bun. Ah, it's not ready. And then the rest of the hair, you put in a chungo, cause you're gonna put this hair back down for so down it. Oh well, I got a lot of them in my hands, but they're actually somewhere else. So now we're gonna put this bun down. What's that? Is this supposed to come with me? Oh well, I guess I got no hair. So we're gonna have to like go to like put my hair down like this. Put it like that, and then you go like that and put the chungo. So you'll see my hair in 3, 2. Here it is, guys. A little chunguito. Bum, bum. You see it? Oh, maybe I should like try it all together up to here sometime. Oh well, maybe I can try it for this video. Yeah, just a little stretchy. I like it. Now I should put it in for next video. I mean, you know. Okay, this is what I should send it to me next. And yeah. So it's done right away. Yeah. I'm just kidding, I just put it in the side. But still, now I know which is the other one. Why is my hair another one? Yeah, it's this one. I need to put my hair back. You have to go like this. You might guys not see there you go, but you have to go like that. And then you wrap it all together and put a chungo. So you guys can see that. 3, 2, and guys, I'm doing it, but I think a chungo might break again. Here it is. There you go. See? Sometime I think it'll be like this, or like this, or something like I'm just kidding. So the next one she sent it me was, okay, it was this one, yeah. I would try that out. Okay, let me just take this off in 3, 2, 1. I'm just kidding, guys, but still. Okay, here it is. So it's the same thing. You go like that, but you just put it to the side. So 3, 2, 1. So guys, it's coming out perfectly. Done. And oh, this might hurt me. I'm done. So basically, this is my hairstyle. I think that's all the hairstyles for today. Click that subscribe button and yeah. So let me know if you want me to do. Comment down below if you want me to do more hairstyles. Comment down below and I'll see if I can do. So yeah. Anyways guys, so I was gonna show you around my house, but basically I think we should go right now because I have most of the video, so we're gonna be over there because in 3, 2, 1. This is my mom's room, but you'll see me then maybe later on, but yeah. Bye guys, sorry about that, but bye. There's another video with Legos. I might do that after this one. Yeah, I'm gonna do it after this one, so yeah, bye.